Hello everyone. Today we are with our Hit Bullseye stars, Rahil and Samriddhi, who have converted IIM. So let's have a quick conversation with them and see कैसा क्या किया उन्होंने अपनी preparation में, their strategies, their experiences of the PI process and how they made it to IIMs. So hello Rahil, hello Samriddhi. Yeah. Hi. So I'll just start from the very basic questions and so सबसे पहले राहिल आपसे बात करते हैं. So introduce yourself, like which colleges you converted and which is the college you are looking for.
Alright. So I am Rahil. I have completed my mechanical engineering degree from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh.
Okay.
So I am a recent graduate. I am a fresher. My 10th and 12th I had a 90% and 7 in my undergrad. So that is my overall profile, 997. So I converted finally IIM Calcutta, FMS and Indore and waitlisted at Lucknow and Kozhikode.
Okay.
I was looking forward most towards IIM Calcutta, as I said in a previous
In previous podcast.
in a previous conversation, and that is the one I'll be joining.
Congratulations for it. Samriddhi?
So I've done my bachelor's in civil engineering from Punjab University and my profile is 999. And after that I have work experience of 17 months in Cognizant.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have converted. I am Kozhikode, Indore, Mumbai, MDI, and Shillong.
Okay.
And I'll be going to IIM Kozhikode.
Okay. That's great. So I'll just ask the questions and one by one you both can just tell me like what you feel about it. Okay. Yeah. So as everybody says, like CAT exam is very difficult. So is it actually difficult or is it just the perception what students feel that CAT is difficult? You can just go with Samriddhi, what do you say?
So yeah, it is difficult, but I also believe that there's a particular strategy that you have to follow. It can differ from person to person. But like giving mocks and time management, these are some basic things that if you can do, then I think it's doable.
It's doable.
Right.
Okay. Rahil, what do you say?
I would agree. It is a difficult exam, but it is something that one can navigate with the right help and strategy. And if you put in the effort, I mean, it becomes difficult because it demands effort. If you put in the effort, then it will be easy for you.
So what do you feel कि सारी preparation में guidance का कुछ effect था, कुछ असर पड़ा आपकी preparation पे या फिर मतलब self study या मतलब what are your views about this कि CAT की preparation कैसे ज़्यादा बच्चों के लिए easy हो सकती है?
I mean, the right guidance definitely plays a
Matters.
mentorship, the teachers that surround you, the students you are with, the peer group. I think all of that matters. It creates a support system for the self-study that you have to do back home. That is not replaceable also. So I would say both of these things are required.
Yeah.
So as you mentioned, like both of you are engineers. So if I talk about like the quants, do you feel that engineers have the edge when it comes to quants?
Yeah, because I think we have been in touch with maths since
Like
the past.
similar जैसे commerce and humanities का VRC में थोड़ा होता है.
मतलब कह सकते हैं क्योंकि हमने 12th तक मैथ्स की है इंग्लिश में, तो थोड़ा वो टच पॉइंट बना हुआ है. तो जब वो क्वांट सामने आते हैं हमें बेसिक्स तो आइडिया तो है ही कि
Idea तो है
क्या
ही.
चल रहा है.
Yeah.
जो बाकी
Okay. So if I talk about the PIs, तो आपने अपनी PI की preparation कैसे करी?
So like I followed what these teachers here told us to do, like
Okay.
the basic preparation that was required. Like for example, you should be very thorough with your CADs, current affairs. You should know what's surrounding, like what is happening around you. So these are some basic things that there is no compromise in that. You have to do these basic things. So this was the first step that I did. Then after that, I think one thing that helped was giving mock interviews because then you know that how to modulate your voice if I'm putting in more energy or not. So this is how I did.
Right. So yeah, the same thing that we had these workshops with the different teachers and previous IIM grads also teaching us. So we had mock interviews over there. That is the first thing I prepared through. And I think even Samriddhi got shot into these interviews really quickly. Like my Lucknow and Calcutta interviews were in January itself, like end of January, and the results had just come out, and we had just started preparing for our interviews. So I think that sort of bucketing the different things that we have to learn, current affairs, CADs, all of these things along with the mocks really helped us.
तो आप दोनों के पीआई में कोई ऐसा ट्रिकी अनएक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन था किसी इंटरव्यू में, if you guys remember?
मतलब I think I remember my Kohicode interview. In that, the professor just started by remarking on my long hair that he saw on the application.
Okay.
The passport size photo that I had pasted
इंटरव्यू
was
के टाइम पे तो बाल छोटे हैं।
तब हाँ I had cut them short, but at that time he remarked that okay, so now you have turned from a hippie to a professional. So it started off like that, and like I was just laughing throughout the interview. It was a great experience, that conversation, but I don't know how we came up with that. So that was very
Like any such question with you, Samriddhi? कुछ याद हो खास?
So in one of my interviews, so since I'm wearing this ring,
Okay.
so they noticed that ring and they were like कि you're wearing this लोहे का छल्ला, आपका शनि भारी है क्या? ऐसे करके they were asking questions. So yeah, like I laughed it off, but I think the professor was trying to put me into some sort of stress.
हाँ, तो कोई मतलब जैसे प्रेशर वाला सिचुएशन होती है पीआई में? फील होता है?
Like in one of the interviews, I think the professors kept on saying the same thing, that you're not prepared, you're here to waste your time, you're not serious. So there are some interviews where they try to put a lot of stress on you deliberately. So
तो ऐसा हुआ है कभी कि कोई क्वेश्चन पीआई में आपसे पूछा हो, उसका जवाब ना आता हो, तो लाइक वो सिचुएशन कैसे हैंडल करी?
बहुत बार हो गया.
I think every interview
There are some questions that you won't have an answer. But उसका I think the strategy is कि सीधा ये नहीं बोलना कि I don't know.
नहीं है.
या मतलब थोड़ा उसे घुमाने की कोशिश करो.
ऐसा हुआ है कभी कि लाइक यू हैव ट्राइड वेरी हार्ड टू इम्प्रेस द इंटरव्यूअर और फिर वो घूमकर खुद पर ही आ गया?
ऐसा भी हाँ कुछ ना कुछ तो चलते ही रहता है. इंटरव्यूज में कुछ नहीं रहता.
Okay. So if I ask कि अगर आप लोग थोड़ा सा like if you see like around 1 year back when you were like starting your preparation, थोड़ा उस phase में जाते हैं, तो ऐसी कौन सी 3 चीजें हैं जो अगर आपको उस टाइम पे पता होगी तो मे बी कैट की जर्नी थोड़ी इजी हो जाती?
I think this was my first attempt.
Okay, this was your first attempt.
Yeah.
Right? Yours? First. अच्छा.
So the one thing is that like there are gonna be a lot of people who are gonna give you a lot of advice. You don't have to like listen to every one of them. Like I think every person has their own personalized strategy that they should follow. And so one thing that I think that one should follow is this: that don't listen to everyone. Do what you think is working for you.
I would also agree and add on to this that you should try to simplify your approach to all of the sections. That there is a lot of advice going around, a lot of materials that one can follow. But if something is working for you, you should stick to that, even if it's a strategy or how you are preparing.
So how you guys manage your like academics, personal life, preparation, सारी चीजें कैसे manage करी?
टाइम मैनेजमेंट तो सिखा ही देता है आई थिंक कैट प्रिपरेशन कि क्लास जाना है, कुछ होमवर्क भी करना है, फिर आगे
पर्सनल लाइफ कॉम्प्रोमाइज हुई प्रिपरेशन के टाइम? थोड़ी बहुत तो नहीं होगी.
मैंने कर लिया था मैनेजमेंट पर्सनल.
घूमना फिरना चल रहा था,
थोड़ा मेरा चलते रहा.
बंक्स वगैरह मारे कभी क्लासेस से?
इट वाज लाइक कॉलेज.
Okay, so Rahul, let me ask this from you. What was the feeling when you realized कि हाँ now I'll be going to Calcutta, Holy Trinity, this is what I aim for? कैसी feeling थी?
I think it was a feeling of relief क्योंकि मतलब I had manifested IIM Calcutta from the start and I wanted this convert.
कितनी लेट से फिर?
7.
याद है?
अब याद है तो पूरा गूगल मैप से मैंने स्ट्रीट व्यू में देख लिया कि कैंपस में कहाँ चलने वाला हूँ मैं, क्या होने वाला है. अब तो सब अच्छे से देख लिया, पता ही है.
Okay, and like which is that one person जो आप बोलोगे सबसे ज़्यादा मोटिवेट करते हैं आपको कि हो जाएगा?
One person I would say family.
Yeah.
It always was there, always, during the dinner conversation, always asking about my preparation, not putting any pressure also, but just checking in. So I think that support was always there.
Okay. And like अगर आपका आर्म कैलकुलेटर ना होता तो आप और आर्म्स देखते हैं या एफएमएस देखते हैं?
मतलब FMS देखता मैं, I would say FMS against Lucknow I would have measured. उसमें I am still not sure कौन सा, but I would have I think gone with Lucknow instead of FMS.
एफएमएस
FMS is a good option as well.
आरओआई के अगर हिसाब से देखें तो
ROI के हिसाब से, if someone is not that hell-bent on the iron tag, then FMS is the best one.
Best one.
There are people leaving ABC.
ABC for FMS. There are many people. Yeah. Okay. Samriddhi, what made you choose and music audio over the other options you had?
So, I think it won't be a major factor, but definitely one of the factors is the campus. So
Campus.
It's called God's own campus. So,
The campus is very.
yeah, so the campus is very pretty, and apart from that, I think what aligns with what I want to do. I want to go into general management or consulting and the kind of profiles that come over there. So that was also a factor. And obviously, it's a blackie. So
Blackie. Yeah. And जो आपके बाकी colleges थे, आपके converts थे, अगर आप उसको rate करना चाहो कि what would have been your second preference, third preference, तो किसको रखोगे after Kozhikode? If not, and Kozhikode, then
I think then I'll probably choose Indore.
Indore.
And Mumbai, I think I converted Mumbai as well. Mumbai and NTR.
Yeah. For the calculator, तो कौन सा लोगे लगेगी तो बहुत.
मतलब वही है बस.
Okay. So based on your experience, what do you feel कि ऐसी कौन सी mistakes हैं जो mostly aspirants करते हैं and which are easily avoidable
For CAT.
for CAT preparation?
I think one thing is like, this is something that I did.
Okay.
So like, earlier, like we used to hear that you have to give a lot of mocks. So I, like especially when I was working, I used to just give mocks and I never analyzed them. So in the initial phase, I think that was one thing that I could have improved.
कि mocks तो नहीं है पर उनका analysis की क्या सही जा रहा है क्या गलत हो रहा है.
हाँ,
वो चीज़ ज़्यादा.
खुद की तसल्ली के लिए mocks दे रहे थे कि कुछ कर रही हूँ.
हाँ.
But I think analysis is
Analysis is
important.
Yeah, without analysis, the mocks don't even count, I would say. Analyze them. And one thing I would say कि I learned later was कि you should keep weekly targets instead of daily ones. कि बहुत बच्चे ऐसी सोचते हैं कि हर दिन 3 घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए, पर हर दिन वो टाइम नहीं निकल पाएगा.
On an average आपके कितने घंटे होते थे
मतलब throughout सब जोड़ दो I would say 3 hours.
3 hours. Okay, and आपके?
Initially, so I think 2 to 3 years. I put in a lot of hours in the last month.
In the
after
last.
resigning. So,
Okay. तो आपका सबसे ज़्यादा weak section कौन सा था which you personally feel?
so like if I compare it with the mocks, I used to score less in VRC. Like my VRC was very unpredictable. Someday I'm getting 4, someday I'm getting 20.5. But in the actual paper, VRC was the one that actually saved me.
Okay, so you right?
Was DIL.
I remember.
It is just very unpredictable. That was the only thing that was very much concerning me till the campaign. But it turned out well.
Okay. So I'll say a word, okay? And उसके बाद आपको वो बताना है the first word that comes in your mind after listening to that. Okay? VARC यानी.
Lengthy.
Okay. PI panel, Samriddhi.
Unpredictable.
DILR.
Unpredictable. Again.
Okay. Once.
Once, like, I would say like an old friend that actually ditched me during the actual paper.
Reminds me of the Brutus thing. Okay. CAT result day.
Sorry.
CAT exam day.
Nervous, anxiety.
Okay. Okay. So I'll just ask you a few questions, and on a funnier side, the prep confessions, if I'll say. Okay. So which Netflix series or app you used, like that वो binge watch वाला जो होता है ना during your preparation?
मेरे लिए तो I think it was Game of Thrones पूरा and Breaking Bad.
सारे seasons बार-बार देखे.
हाँ, एक बार ही देखने में थक गया पर वो पूरा मैंने देख लिया.
Okay. And what did you do?
Instagram for me, so I
Reels?
wrote a lot of reels.
तो रील्स में मूवीज आ जाती हैं.
हाँ scenes आ रहे
100
हो.
पार्ट्स में पूरी movie है.
Okay. ऐसा कितनी बार हुआ है कि सोचा कि चलो एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेता हूँ 10 मिनट का 15 मिनट का फिर वो 3 घंटे गए
ये तो हो ही जाता. मतलब मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे वो लगाना पड़ेगा था
जब वो आता है
अलार्म की आपका
टाइम हो गया.
तभी याद आता तुमको. अच्छा बंद कर.
आपके साथ
This was the same thing that happened with me. Like, I had to set a timer for Instagram क्योंकि once you start scrolling तो वो break कब इतना लंबा बन जाता है you don't know.
आपको तो जॉब पे टाइम भी होता होगा तो स्टार्टिंग में इनिशियल फेज.
In the initial phase, तो the job took like 11 to 12 hours of my day every day. So
तो आपने अपने एग्जाम से कितने टाइम पहले फिर when you resigned for the final year?
like the last 2 months,
2
I was
months.
free.
Okay. तो उससे पहले तक you were working तो बैलेंस चल रहा था पूरा. So it was a weekend classes for you?
So initially I joined the weekday classes
Okay.
after my job, but then I shifted it to weekend because
Weekend.
weekdays are not much.
आपका ऐसे चला था
मेरा वीकेंड्स पे था.
हाँ you were
Ended on the weekends.
internship थी ना.
हाँ, I was on internal.
Okay. So what is your one secret superpower which you feel कि शायद सब कर नहीं पाते पर मेरा कैट में बड़ी हेल्प हुई है वो चीज करके. Any superpower?
Well, I think I have said this many times, but consistency.
Consistency.
यही मैं हमेशा ही बोलता हूँ, पर I think that really
I
set me
feel two
apart.
words for I. Consistency and unpredictable.
यही
इन्हीं के आगे आसपास आंसर होता है. For you?
I think the same consistency.
Consistency. Great. Okay. So now I'll ask you the best and the worst part of your cat journey.
Best.
Who will answer first? किसका ज़्यादा पूरा experience गया है कोई?
Worst part. I think मॉक में low score देख के वही worst part हुआ था. अब तो नहीं
हो पाया.
I think because there are a lot of times when you start self-doubting. After the scores, after seeing the scores, you're like, I don't know. पेपर में जाके क्या होगा?
क्या होगा?
And the best part for your journey?
I think it transforms, like especially the PI process transforms you a lot. So,
Rigorous होता है.
yeah, it's a learning experience.
Learning experience. जज वाली फीलिंग आती है कि तुम्हें जज कर रहे हैं इंटरव्यू में.
बहुत.
वो तो हर इंटरव्यू में लगता है.
ऐसे लगे IAS ही बना दिया. ऐसे कुछ भी पूछ रहे हैं.
कुछ बहुत डिफिकल्ट पूछा था इतनी इजी में कि बिल्कुल कभी सुना ही ना हो कि बात इस चीज की कर रहे हैं.
मतलब मेरे को आए मुंबई के इंटरव्यू में बहुत रैंडम क्वेश्चन. मतलब भीम UPI का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है?
क्या होता है?
भारत इंटरफेस फॉर मनी.
अब याद हो गई.
इंटरव्यू से बाहर निकलते नहीं.
मीन तो बरोबर.
BH क्या, मेरे को था H क्या होता है, फिर पता लग रहा है भारत ही है.
भारतीय. आपको कभी कुछ पूछा समृद्धि?
Like, बहुत random तो I'm not sure. बहुत random. Like, it was related to civil engineering, but not something that I would expect civil engineers to know. Like, मेरे से पूछा था कि इंडिया में ऐसा कौन सा ब्रिज है जिसमें बोल्ट्स और नट्स नहीं यूज होते. So my first thought was, how am I supposed to know that?
मैंने काफी बच्चों से सुना है कि अगर वो अपनी हॉबी बता देते हैं तो the questions are all around hobby. Happened?
Yeah, so in one of my interviews, I said like mandala art is my hobby.
Yeah.
So the interview was in a hotel room, so
Okay.
there was a painting that was like on the wall. So they started asking me questions on the painting. My hobby is mandala art. It's not related to paintings at all, and they're questioning me on paintings. So yeah.
मैंने भी I said graphic design as a hobby. So they said कि हमारा लोगो रीडिजाइन करके दिखाओ. अगर आप हमारा लोगो बनाते कैसे? पेपर पकड़ा दिया.
किसकी इंटरव्यू में था ये क्वेश्चन?
ये ISB के.
ISB के इंटरव्यू में था. Okay. So if I ask you one habit or one suggestion, this one is for somebody, okay? If I ask you for one habit or one suggestion that you would give to any aspirant who is aiming for CAT 26 or CAT 27, क्या दोगे? वन सजेशन जो सच में उसको हेल्प करे, क्योंकि इस टाइम पे जो बच्चे होंगे उनके दिमाग में ये होगा कि यार 6 महीने में तो नहीं हो पाएगी, और जो नेक्स्ट ईयर दे रहे होंगे वे भी सोच रहे होंगे तो बहुत टाइम है. तो व्हाट विल यू से?
So again, like, consistent efforts is something that really matters, and it's not only about in one particular subject. I think you have to carry all three of them at the same pace, and analyzing mocks. Like for CAT, so I think analyzing mocks is what actually saves.
मैक्सिमम मॉक्स लो उनको एनालाइज करते हो.
Yeah. But one thing that I would actually like to say is that this journey in itself, it is disheartening at times. So, like, I would say that don't attach your whole self to that one result, because there are a lot of unpredictability in this whole process. Like, even in there, you cannot like determine everything. So just focus on what you can control, because there are going to be situations where you're going to think that this is unfair. I got this panelist, she got that panelist.
कंपैरिजन हो जाता है.
Huh. So they are not in your control, but just focus on what's in your control, and whatever the result is, it does not determine your capabilities.
Okay. Okay, that's great. So this one is for you, Rahil. कि did you had any moment of setback कि क्या कहते हैं, अगर मेरे कोई अच्छा सा कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ तो क्या करूँगा, अगर कैलकुलेटर ना मिलता तो हुआ ऐसा कुछ?
हुआ था, क्योंकि वही as समृद्धि was saying कि there is also one more thing कि there is a lot of weight on the previous profile that you carry, मतलब except from the percentile you get or the marks that you get. अब जो आपने पुराने पाप कर दिए वो भी आपके साथ चलने वाले हैं इंटरव्यू.
And when I just in the gym category फिर
तो उसमें
gym के साथ तो बहुत बुरा होता है.
और मतलब लेयर्ड है सारी चीजें. तो एक वही था कि इंटरव्यू से अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज को नहीं कर सकते जज, क्योंकि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल. पर आई वुड से कि अपने आप हेड हाई रखा था मैंने. आई थिंक मेरा पहला एक तो रिजल्ट वाज अहमदाबाद, बट आफ्टर दैट रिजेक्शन इट Calcutta came out. FMS came out, then Calcutta came out. So
Okay.
I ended on a high, so I'm satisfied with that.
अगर मतलब कि कैलकुलेटा तो was always
Calcutta was the first.
first preference. Okay. So any last word from your end for the aspirants?
Again, I would repeat
Consistency?
myself. I'm consistently saying this, that please be consistent. कि consistency, weekly targets or lot of more sectionals and full length, all of them, and analyze them.
Analyze them?
That's it.
Okay. That was great talking to you guys, and once again congratulations for your selections. And I would love to see when you go to your campuses and share your pictures. We would definitely have to post them. हम भी बच्चों को बताएंगे कि तुम भी इतनी lakes के बीच में walk कर सकते हो. And campuses इतने सुंदर हो सकते हैं. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.